COVID-19 vaccine in pregnancy and breastfeeding mother. Good morning everybody. Myself Dr. Shudev Rai, consultant gynecologist and obstetrician and radiation oncologist, MBBS Cal, MS Gynae and Tops and DMRT. Specialist Medical Officer Gynae and Tops at Ranaghat SD Hospital. Today I will discuss about the COVID-19 vaccine in pregnancy and lactation. Now we are going through COVID pandemic situation. In this pandemic situation, pregnant and lactating mother are getting care to visit doctors and hospitals OPD. So I am sharing some information regarding the same. First I am discussing about the general principle. There is no data suggesting any increased risk of miscarriage or early pregnancy loss due to COVID. COVID-19 is not an indication for medical termination of pregnancy. There is no significant reported increase in incidence of congenital abortion. However, there is increased risk of preterm birth and fetal growth restriction depending on severity of the disease. We should know some information regarding antenatal care during this COVID video. If you have mild COVID-19 symptoms, then you should stay at home and isolate yourself. You should follow consistent routine care like iron, folic acid, calcium, vitamin supplements. There is no indication of prophylactic thromboprophylaxis until or unless there is altered coagulation profile or increased DDI. Women with moderate or severe disease should be admitted. Moderate are admitted in ward or HDU and severe ones in ICU. Ivermectin is avoided in pregnancy and lactating women. Antenatal corticosteroid for lung maturity or Maxal for neuroprotection can be considered. Sepsis treat should be carried out in presence of fever. During taking antibiotic in pregnancy, safety criteria should be considered. There is no recorded case of breast milk tested positive for COVID-19. Vaginal delivery is preferred, but cesarean section should be done only in obstetric indication. In case of urgent delivery in cesarean section, spinal anesthesia is better than general anesthesia. It is always necessary to keep the oxygen saturation above 94% during the procedure. Now I discuss in breastfeeding in COVID cases. Women with COVID-19 can breastfeed if they wish to do so. They should follow the following 3 steps. First, practice respiratory hygiene and wear a mask. Second, wash hand before and after touching the baby. Third, routinely clean and disinfect the surface. If the mother is severely ill and admitted in ICU and unable to breastfeed her baby, then she can support her baby by others way like expressing milk, relactation or donor human milk. Now I discussing COVID-19 vaccine in pregnancy and lactation. Very little information is currently available on safety and efficacy of COVID-19 vaccine in pregnancy. There is no significant evidence to recommended routine doses of COVID-19 vaccine in pregnant and lactating mother. Safety signal among pregnant women to receive COVID-19 vaccine are not seen till now, as there is increased risk of COVID-19 associated severe illness in pregnancy and benefit. COVID-19 vaccine can be given to pregnant or lactating mother only after informed decision. Based on prioritization group, COVID-19 vaccine can be offered to breastfeeding mothers such as breastfeeding healthcare provider Routine test for pregnancy is not recommended for COVID vaccination. So it is justified to exclude pregnancy before vaccination and to do defer attempt of pregnancy following 2 to 4 weeks of injection and with preconceptional folic acid supplement. I think this information will help in pregnant and lactating mother in this COVID-19 situation. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.